Find the HCF and LCM using prime factorization method of the numbers 17, 23 and 29. So first let me write down the prime factors of all the numbers. So 17 itself is a prime number, so I will simply write it as 17 power 1, and 23 as 17 power 0 into 23 power 1. 23 is also a prime number, and 17 raised to power of 0 is nothing but 1. So you'll understand why I am doing this. 29 equal to 17 power 0 into 23 power 0 into 29 power 1. Similarly, here I will write the numbers 23 power 0 into 29 power 0, because any number raised to power 0 is equal to 1. So it's nothing but 17 into 1 into 1. Similarly, I will write 29 power 0. Now to calculate HCF, so HCF of 17, 23 and 29 is nothing but the product of the smallest power of each prime factors of the numbers. If you want, I'll write down the statement for you. So here you can see the power of 17, the least power is 0, so 17 power 0 into 23 power 0, and similarly into 29 power 0. The least power of each number is 0, so I multiplied by that, and the final product we'll get as 1. So the HCF of 17, 23 and 29 is 1. Similarly, for LCM, it is the opposite of HCF. So here we multiply by the greatest power of each prime factors of the numbers. That is equal to 17 power 1 into 23 power 1 into 29 power 1. So the product would give us finally 11,339.
Take a screenshot or download the solution link from the description box below.